Right, boys, welcome to event 2, day 3 of Nature Walk UK. We are actually brought you out into some nature now, right in the trees, with my trusty friend, the Yoke. So, everyone's seen the Arnold frame carry, right? Up the hill, yeah? But we don't do frame in Flash World because grips for knobheads. So, we're gonna do Yoke, because Yoke's cool. So, we're gonna start at the bottom, but I told you it was a press day. So, you're gonna press the yoke. Every time you see a mat, basically, you're gonna press the yoke. So press the yoke overhead, get under it, bring it up here, press it, bring it down, okay? So that's the challenge, boys. Let's go.
That was bigger than the last one, I think.
Whoops. Okay.
Anyone bring chalk?
Yeah, that's
probably got some strays.
What's Strongman?
Right, go on then. Go get your fucking helmet.
Your fucking hands are shaking. I can't.
Get it down, you boy, nice and deeply. That's it, boy.
But he
Lunatic, but he's,
didn't do any of the shit that she was cleaning.
he's one of the best.
Fuck, it's Yoke.
There you go. Yes, absolutely.
I just watched Donnie Brasco. He's just
She's so good.
Ooh.
Oh, that's not good on the way down though. Fuck that. That was sick.
That was good.
What?
Come on, Kyle.
Dude, I love when we made sure that somebody gets
a little shock.
no, like that's like a strategy.
Yeah.
How did you get a strategy?
Come on,
No one's
Kyle.
done this before.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Go on.
He was originally gonna do jerk companies.
Easy, Kyle.
He's gonna try to do
Oh, this is good. Go on.
10 seconds, Kyle.
Get another rep here, Kyle. Come on.
Come on, Kyle. Animal.
Time. Last one doesn't count. 35.
Missed that one.
He missed
Yes,
it.
yeah.
Well done, mate.
All right, well,
I didn't think I pressed that
I
so
told
well.
you it's
Way to
fucking gassy.
recover, man. That was good.
it's
It's gonna not be easy. It's seen what
I didn't say that.
we'll cut one.
Just guess you.
I'll just fucking, I'll pop them down.
Oh,
Run it
down
back.
the hill? Nah, dude.
That's crazy.
I thought it was gonna go backwards then.
Yeah. I can see the red dye dripping off.
That monobrow.
Some fleek.
Come on, Zach.
I'm playing, yeah.
Hit the mat, Zach.
Go on.
Cheers.
All the way to Good.
Go on, Zach.
I think it's going to be a one. Like a lead.
He's doing really good.
I can see him gassing though.
I think if he gets down, that's it. He's
That extra 15
I would
kilos
say that's
starting
not
to
on the
kick in
map.
a little bit.
He's on it.
He's on that. He's on
He's
it.
doing good.
Go on.
Yeah.
I think this is
10 seconds, Zach.
Come on, go, go,
Come
go.
on,
Get the
Zach.
press.
Yep.
Zach.
Zach.
Yeah?
Good job, dude. Damn.
You want to go?
He's also gone a bit grey.
Right here, mates.
41.
Proper British.
God damn.
Nice job.
All right, yeah.
So we got 40, you got 41.
I designed that.
Proper British one.
We got 35 each.
Yeah, if you put it up there.
Show him my bed.
So if and when it comes loose,
get 30 minutes.
my hard belt will be
Easy.
like right below it, so it basically sits right there.
Probably all the little weird things.
Yeah.
They get
You just get 10 points for hugging someone.
He's
farming
on it.
Yeah, yeah. Overhead pressed the receptionist at the carvery area.
Yeah. You done alright, mate. You're doing.
Go on, Rich.
That one I like. That one. Like the pressing the reception is a good one.
I'd say the weird thing is, it's loose downhill that's so fucking weird.
Downhill.
Yeah,
Come on, Rich.
bouncing on you.
Yeah.
I found it coming down way worse.
Yeah.
The one it's
The first time I had it too far up my neck, just bouncing on me. Come on, Rich.
Yeah.
10 seconds, Rick.
Come on, Rich.
Get it up there, Rich.
If he makes it down, he beats me.
Go on, Rich.
Time.
Oh, close. Close.
How many is it?
I'll bring it back.
Stations.
That was close.
Quads blow up like fuck, don't they? Small trying not to throw up the whiskey. You wouldn't think how.
I just want to say, I got further because I stopped at right below the mat. I have no idea.
I'll ask.
Sorry.
That shot of whiskey was a bad idea.
Same score, 35.
That was a really bad
Equal,
idea.
35.
He stopped up there.
Might have been able to turn around and get that back.
Thinking about
When it breaks the floor, Finn.
Come on, Finn.
Classic Finn.
Yep.
I know. That's what it's
Come on, Finn. Go on, do it. Yeah. I thought he was going to overhead it.
You're good on the way down, Finn. Good on the way down. You got nothing to worry about down.
I will run my daisy bits on there.
Sure. Sure.
You sure about that?
Sure about that?
Look at the traps.
Dude, he's jacked.
Absolutely.
Natty my dick.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Did you see the
saying.
picture
Well,
from the
that's
back?
Like, yo, Finn. Oh my God,
He's
dude.
showing off the fucking
You kidding me?
camera
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just for fun.
Tap it in, happy.
10 seconds.
now. Oh, he can't decide if he's going to spin or press it.
There we go.
Go on, up the hill. Up the hill, go on. Up the hill.
Time.
Jesus Christ.
I was impressed.
Good job, Finn.
I
fuck.
thought you were going to carry it up the hill overhead after the first time.
I was trying to do a
Come on,
selfish
Josh.
one.
Let's go.
Come on, Josh.
Okay, Josh.
Yeah. Dean's like, that's the shit, man.
That's Josh's arm.
That's.
Is on?
If you press it, press it.
That's not on.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
It wasn't back on it.
We'll do that. We'll do that.
That's Josh's lockout there. I questioned it on the Viking press at OSG.
Yeah,
showed me his
I'm not
lockout.
going to be biased, mate, but yes.
Yeah. He showed me his lockout. I was like, okay.
I was
okay.
like, well, you know.
Fuck, he is drafted down the hill, Jesus.
Yep. Come on, go, 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 go. Come on, Josh, dig in. 10 seconds, Josh.
This is the beat up now, isn't it?
Get down and get that press. Go. Time. So he beat them by 1 point, right?
36.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, that was vital.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let
There we go.
Yeah, that's
There we go, boys.
Zach scored 41.
Go, Dean.
Yeah, buddy.
Come on, Dean.
Come on, go, 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 go. 10 seconds, Josh.
Oh, this is
Nice, Dean.
Get down and get that press. Go.
Come on, Dino.
Yeah, 36. Yeah, that was vital.
Nice, Dean.
Go on.
Go, Dean.
Zach scored 41, and I think he.
Come on, Dean.
Come on, Dino, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep this pace, keep this
And there's
pace.
no way anybody could do more than that.
Keep breathing,
Come on,
man,
Dean.
Come on.
You got
Nice,
another.
Dean.
Come on, Dean. You got this. You got this, man. 2 more runs.
Let's go, let's go.
Rich and
Dig in,
Kyle
Dean, come
tied
on.
35. So we'll see what Dean does. But
Come on, Dean.
Work for it, Dean. Come on.
Back down and press.
There we go.
Back,
Come on, Dean. You can do it.
Back down and press. Come on.
And Zach 41.
Big press,
Press
mate.
it. Come on. Back up, back up.
Get up, Dean. You got time.
Time.
Oh,
I never heard of 10 seconds.
I didn't hear 10 seconds.
I shouted 10 seconds.
Okay, sorry.
Dean the machine.
I shouted and then you shouted.
Hell nah.
Yeah, but dexterity. That's good.